Here I have OPPO A1X, and today I'm going to show you how to enable talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the additional settings, then go to the accessibility, switch to the vision, and go to the talkback. So here you can enable talkback, and after that talkback tutorial starts immediately. So talkback is a mode made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems who have troubles seeing stuff on the screen, and it works the way that it speaks out loud text on the screen. So for example, I tap close and it says
button. Double tap to activate. Close button. Accessibility volume set to 100%. Double tap to activate.
So when you're in a talkback mode, to operate you have to first tap on some action, then it gets spoken out loud, and then you double tap anywhere on the screen to confirm it, just like
Close
this.
tutorial.
Close
button.
Double tap,
Talkback. Navigate. Talkback.
double tap,
Turn off talkback.
stop,
Stop.
double tap,
Talkback off.
and that's how you can turn it off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.